Hey, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Tech Talk here at MarketStream.live. My name is Joseph Cusick with the Cusick Group, securities offered by MoneyBlock. This is where we're going to take a look at the charts, option pricing, give you some ideas about how and what a stock might do, how much it might move, and you can hear my voice. And we're going to do that pretty quickly right now. So taking a look right now at the MarketStream charts, we're taking a look at the crude contract. To finish the day right now, right around that $53.60 level right here. You can see that down on the day. You can see that it challenged and broke through its 50-day moving average and its 20-day moving average. As a matter of fact, we now have a trend that could be now getting quite negative, with 51 now looking to be that long-term support level on crude. Now, with that being said, I wanted to take a look at, after what has been a consolidated market, a stock that's going to be reporting earnings. And one thing that's notable, by the way, folks, is that you can get futures charts, Forex stock, Bitcoin index, all kinds of different charts under our premium toolbox. Take a look at the real-time chart. But I want to put in RIG. RIG's reporting after hours. And what I want to do is take a look at the technical components of RIG, see how it's setting up tonight going into its earnings call, as well as what its potential move could be. So, taking a look at the charts, you see that RIG basically was consolidating for most of the end of 2016 into January, February, came in, boom, dropped off, consolidating here into earnings. Critical thing is that it's below its 50 and 20-day moving average. That means that it's in a bearish trend and it's consolidating right now. We've seen that oil has been in a bearish trend, consolidated and now pulling back. We're going to see if that trend continues, because we still have the shale operators here in the United States. Those rig counts are going up. That's pressure on rig, Transocean. And you can see that long-term support's at 11.5. The next level is right around that level of the 200-day moving average. You can see that consolidation, breakout, pullback. Let's see what it's going to do here. Stock's out at 13.29. Let's take a look at the options. This is the weekly options for RIG. Taking a look at the weekly options for RIG, we're going to look at the estimated move that was being priced in for the remainder of this week. You take the at-the-money straddle. That's the 50 cents here on the ask and the 20 cents here on the ask. Okay, that's on the $13 calls. Then the next strikeout puts, that's 7 cents on the ask and 23 cents on the $13.50 calls. So that's basically 30 cents, 50, $1. So they're pricing in. You divide that by 2, and with a 50% probability, the options between now and the end of this week, Friday, are pricing in the potential that RIG could move about 50 cents. Today, it's already down almost 2% at 25 cents in front of earnings. So you're pricing in basically a almost 4% move going into RIG's earnings. Okay, now that's how we look at it, both technically and from an options perspective. And now you have more transparency on how this stock, and basically any other stock that you want to take a look at, index or ETF, could potentially move either into a binary event or just in general when you're thinking about what's price points you want to start paying attention to as far as support and resistance, and what the options are potentially pricing in for movement in the stock. All right, folks, that's it for Tech Talk right now. Join me at 4:30 Eastern Time. I'm going to wrap up all the trading action from today. See you then.